An overview of ebook on machine vision practical tutor by Online Solutions, Imaging, Private Limited, India.
I am an engineer in a manufacturing factory. I am given the task to automate, to computerize, to improve quality, to increase production cycle, to lessen hazardous work to labor. The question in front of me is, how?
Hi. The answer is, you need to introduce machine vision in all your processes from assembly line, to quality check, to packing, and understanding. Machine vision, practical concepts is the key.
I am pursuing engineering degree in a university. I would like to possess field knowledge, improve my skills to enrich my employability, in a manufacturing company. The question in front of me is, how?
Hi. The answer is, you need to learn machine vision with practical experience to achieve your objectives.
Who can we contact, and where can we get the real machine vision experience?
We, Online Solutions, India, are there, with 20 years of experience, in the field of imaging and vision, for your help, in the form of ebook on machine vision, the visual practical guide.
Built on Teledyne Dalsa's renowned products. Introducing ebook on machine vision, a visual practical guide, unique of its kind. This ebook on machine vision, the visual practical guide, is arranged with different chapters, starting from the introduction to different application-specific practicals, with sequence to be followed to maintain a flow in the processes. Every chapter will explain the application specifics about pre-process and algorithm required to do the application, and ends with an interactive experiment session. The main objective is to provide a visual hands-on experience of vision-based automation tasks. Let us start our journey into few chapters of this ebook, starting with presence and absence. Finding whether the object is present or not, for further guidance, is the first, basic, preliminary step to be performed before any complex or simple machine vision tasks. Algorithm explanation. To detect presence and absence, clicking on the experiment icon will start the interactive programming process to achieve the objective. Opening an image with only background and no object. Selecting the analysis algorithm, stats, to compute mean or average. Average computed. Opening an image with object present. Average computed for object present. Opening one more image with a different object present. Average computed. Based on these average values computed, we can define a conditional formula as, if average is between 187 and 192, then object is absent, else object is present. The program process is over now, and let us click on Run to execute. Now, you have learned a machine vision approach to find presence and absence of object. To select another chapter, the ebook allows to go to the specific page by clicking the hyperlink in the flowchart, in addition to going through chapters page-wise. Segmentation is an important application in machine vision to differentiate and identify the object of our interest, if there are more and different objects present in the field of view. Algorithm explanation. Detailed explanation on blob analysis or any other analysis performed are provided in separate chapter with the hyperlink from the algorithm explanation part. Clicking on the experiment icon will start the interactive programming process to achieve the objective. Opening an image with different types of objects. Applying pre-processing threshold to differentiate objects from the background. Applying the algorithm blob analysis to find the number of objects and extract their features for further identification of object of interest. Features like area, width, and height of the objects are extracted, and, based on these values, our object of interest, gear, is identified through a formula for further analysis to be performed on the gear. The program process is over now, and let us click on Run to execute. Now, you have learned a machine vision approach to segment, to isolate, the object of interest in the field of view. Let us continue our journey to see something in color-related application. In machine vision there are applications like food sorting, print inspection, etc., that would require color analysis. Color classification is a method to classify colors by training different colors from series of color samples. This experiment will demonstrate the classification and then identification of color. This can be expanded for further inspection using different image analysis techniques like blob analysis. Algorithm explanation. Clicking on the experiment icon will start the interactive programming process to achieve the objective. Opening a color image. Applying color classification pre-process. Color training to classify. Enabling the algorithm threshold. Color training completed to classify green, orange, red, black, yellow. Applying the algorithm threshold. The program process is over now, and let us click on Run to execute. Now, you have learned a machine vision approach to classify a color image. Let us check what are the chapter available in this ebook.
This ebook also explains about cameras, frame grabber, optics, lightings and much more.
This ebook has given me a practical experience on machine vision. Presence and absence, locating objects, segmenting objects, alignment, surface inspection, optical character recognition OCR, sorting, barcode, external I/O, measurement, and color classification. How can I try the learned machine vision concepts and create real-time applications?
We provide online machine vision kit to try machine vision concepts and develop real-time applications. For more details, visit www.onlsol.com.
For more queries, please contact us. Thank you.